All right, the first thing we're going to show you is one of the biggest problems that our students have with the yard maneuvers is the last maneuver, which is the offset back to the passenger side, which puts the trailer inside the box, then the truck follows. And the problem is they either turn it too far, they go too far on their first bend, or they don't go far enough. And when they come back around and they see that they're wrong, they don't know how to fix it. So we're going to show you how to fix that real quick. All right, so what we're going to do is the first thing we're going to do is show you not turning the truck and trailer far enough, and what you're going to see and what Ricky's going to look for when he tries to fix it, okay? So here we go. Ricky's set up, he's ready to go. Now he's going to start backing up now, and he's going to intentionally not go far enough. Go ahead, Rick. So what you're looking for is like about a 45-degree bend. Now, if you notice, see the corner of this trailer? It's not over the center hub of the wheel. And the corner of that trailer is not over the frame rail right there. That means he's not at a 45 degree. And what's gonna happen is, turn the wheel all the way the other way. When he comes back around, you're gonna see that he's not gonna have enough room to skirt in there. Now you'll notice, look on the side here, you can't see that cone. That cone back there is covered up. You can't see it from here, which means if he backs up from here, he's gonna run that cone over. You can't do that. So what's the best way to fix it? You don't fix it on the backup, you fix it on the pull-up. So what you have to do is turn the wheel away from the box. If you can't see the cone, turn the wheel away from the box. Now he's gonna pull out, and then he's gonna go straight. And then if you look down the side of the trailer, look at what we see now. Now I can see that cone and a little bit of a gap, which is exactly what we want. Go ahead and straight line back it. That's perfect. That's exactly what it should look like. You want to see that cone and a little bit of a gap. See, now he's not running the cone over. He puts the trailer tire on the line, cuts the wheel all the way the other way, backs it up. He's gonna stop with that drive tire about 2 feet from the line. Perfect. Cut it all the way the other way. He's gonna back it in, and look, went right around that cone, drove right around that cone without running it over. Doesn't go out on the other side. Come around here. Easy as can be, right in the box, okay? Now he's got to cut the wheel straight and straight line back it. That's it. So if you turn back around because you didn't go far enough and you can't see that cone, as you do your pull-up, steer away from the box and then go straight again, and you'll see that cone. All right, Rick, let's go ahead and pull out and set up again. All right, this time, as he does his backup, he's gonna intentionally hold it too long. He's gonna back up too far, and he's gonna bend the truck and the trailer too much. So the first time, he didn't bend it enough. This time, he's gonna make the other mistake of intentionally bending it too much, so we can show you how to fix it. Now he's gonna bend it too much, and remember what we looked at the first time. Watch, the corner of that trailer is gonna go way past. See, look at this. Now look. See, look, over the center line of that tire, the corner of the trailer is way too far. By the time he comes back around now, look at this. Look at how big this gap is. Now see how big that gap is? There's your cone back there, but look how big the gap is. If he tries going in like this, he's gonna run over that outside line, and the back of his truck will run these cones over up here. So he can't do that. So what's he gonna do? To fix it, he's gonna do the opposite. Remember, on the first maneuver, he didn't bend far enough, so he steered out away from the box. So now what's he gonna do? He's gonna steer back towards the box. Watch. He cuts his wheel to the right this time, pulls up. Now watch. And now he's gonna come back over here. And look at that. Look at that. Right down the side of the trailer. Look at that cone back there, right there. he's got that same gap he had the first time, which is what you want. You want to be close to the cone, you can't cover it, and you don't want to be too far away from it. And the reason that's important is that shows you what angle you're coming in at and will you be able to fit in. Now he's going to turn his wheel straight, get straight with his truck and trailer, and he's going to straight line back it, and he's going to keep that relationship between the cone and the trailer. Same exact way he did it last time. Stop on the line. Cut the wheel. Back it in. Cut the wheel the other way. Back her in. Perfect every time. Simple fix. So guys, it's a common mistake. You either overturn or underturn, but it's an easy fix, and you fix it on the pull-up, not on the backup. You just got to remember, if you come back around and you can't see that back cone, that means the back end of your trailer is covering it up. If the back end of your trailer is covering it up, what do you got to do? You got to pull out and away from the box to the left, and that'll open up the back and give you some relief to back in. If you come back around and you had too much of a gap, that means when you come back and you try and back up, when you try and get in spot, you're going to run over the outside boundary lines, or you're going to run over these front cones up here, and that's not going to work. So what do you got to do? If you got too much space, pull back in towards the box and fix it. So no cone, pull out and away. Too much gap between you and the cone, pull back towards the box. Real simple fix, guys.